Friday night special for you as we verify what's real and what isn't in the world. You know, I've combed through our email inbox and plucked out a few of the most head-scratching, you're not going to believe it, what the hell stories I could find. And believe me, there were a lot to choose from. So here we go in what I'm calling a salute to the ridiculous. First up, from Michelle. Can you verify if President Trump signed an executive order canceling Saturday Night Live? Whammo. False. This article is posted by the St. George Gazette. It is a widely known fake news site. And here's a tip when you don't know if a site is fake news or not, right? You go to the home page, you scroll all the way to the bottom, or you look for the About section to get a description of the site. Now, for the Gazette, here's some of what it says. Are you Mormon and wear a bike helmet? Do you have a problem with self-rape? Okay, yeah, telltale signs of fake news foolery. Next, Sarah emails me to ask, is it true that party stores now have to include other nations' flag in the 4th of July section because it isn't inclusive enough? Well, the headline, court order forces Hobby Lobby to only sell Mexico-themed decorations on 4th of July. Come on, man. False. This piece of trash was posted on the website Hustlers. And when you Google the site, here it is. They literally call themselves a trending fautier and satire entertainment site. More fake news. Next. Aaron says someone shared a story on Facebook about the North Carolina House passing a bill that would let drivers drive through protesters. Something sounds odd about this. Indeed it does, Aaron. Indeed it does. But you know what? This one is actually true. And here's the law. It's House Bill 330. It basically says if someone is part of a protest that's blocking a public street, you can't be sued if they get hurt while you carefully drive through where that demonstration is going on. The law says as long as you're, quote, exercising due care, you're good. Now, any story out there suggesting it is legal to mow down protesters with your car, well, you know better than that, right? So if you see something on the internet and you're like, man, this is crazy, people out there might believe this stuff. I want you to send me the link, and I want you to tell me what's going on. Find me on Twitter or Facebook at AdamLongoTV. Or you can also send me a big, delicious, juicy email to my email address, verify@WUSA9.com. Looking forward to it.
Because you just couldn't forget that juicy email. Tonight, Netflix